Hi guys, welcome to Reliable Auto. My name is Reggie, I'm one of the sales reps here. This is one of my customers. Her name is Mercedes. She just purchased a vehicle with us. What kind of vehicle did you buy?
I got an '06 Eclipse.
06.
You guys' service was amazing. I spoke to Reggie a day before I bought my car, and he just walked through like everything that he was going to do to sell my car. It was very easy. I came from my car being broke down over the weekend to driving away in that beautiful thing. I'll definitely have a couple of friends that I'm referring, so you guys be on the lookout. That's for Reggie.
All right.
Of course.
Once again, this is Reggie at Reliable Auto. We do appreciate your business, and please come again. Thank you.